Hi, welcome to Yoga Today. My name is Neesha Zollinger. In this quick tip, we'll be doing Parsva Bakasana, which is translated into side crow. Before we get into this pose, Megan is going to teach us a very key aspect of this and all arm balances. So please come into a squat position, a nice low malasana, with your arms on the inside of your legs, between your legs. The heels don't have to be down. If yours aren't down, don't sweat it. Begin to connect with your breath and harness the power of your leg muscles. Squeeze your legs to the middle. Now, as you squeeze your shins, your lower legs together a ton, use the power of your inner thighs to press your inner thighs back and apart and feel how your hips and your butt get lighter. This is a key superpower to know how to do in any arm balance position. You squeeze your lower legs together to press your inner thighs back and apart. Now that you have that, you can release the squat and bring your legs all the way close together in a narrow leg squat. Now you might have noticed that the props that we have handy are a blanket. This is a landing pad to help you feel safe. It's going to be in front of you, and a block. So we're going to put the block down lengthwise to the mat, and then you tiptoe up on the block and turn your knees to the right. With your knees turned to the right, just like Megan is doing, keep your fingertips facing this narrow end of your mat and bring your hands down flat. And create a great foundation like you do for any hand balance pose. Wrist creases parallel to the front of the mat, fingers spreading, fingers pressing down. Now, when you're up on the block, squeeze your legs together, squeeze your shins together, use your inner thighs, press your inner thighs back and apart to then reach your chest forward, bend your elbows, and balance your left knee on your upper right arm bone. The second variation is to then go into Koundinyasana, stretch your legs straight off to the right, and then come on out of the position. Good. And I'm going to move that perchy, this little bird perch, off to the side. Let's do it without the block. So just come to a squat again with your knees pointing to the right. Hands and arms are all the way on the outside of the left leg. Now, as deep as you can twist here, it's going to help you get into the position. You may have noticed that Megan did not place the left hip on the left arm. Try to do that. That's going to enable you to access your core more. So again, from your pelvis, reach forward to your heart, stretch your collarbones forward, bend your elbows, squeeze your shins, and press your inner thighs back and apart from one another. And if you like, you can stretch your legs into a new pose, Koundinyasana, excellent, or Parsva Bakasana with the knees bent. Great pose. We hope you've enjoyed this quick tip. For full-length classes, visit YogaToday.com. Thank you for joining us. Namaste.